IELTS Speaking Test Number 14. The subject of the day is, talk about a time when you gave advice to someone else. Cue card. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. Who you gave advice to, what the advice was, why you gave the advice, and how you felt about the advice. My cousin had recently completed his 10th standard, and he was really confused about which stream he should opt for. He had the option to choose between science, commerce, and arts. His doubts were related to career prospects in these streams, and most importantly he asked me that which one is easy or difficult to pursue. Since he was tired of his studies, he did not want to put in a lot of effort, but still, he wanted to have a successful life. Before advising him about the various streams, I asked him about his interests, and he told me that he was interested in computers. He started using computers at a very early age, so he is really good at it. I told him about computer programmers who work for companies like Google. I told him about the work they do and how much salary they earn. I also showed him the offices of Google and the facilities like the gym, food, and other games that are provided to the employees on campus. He got motivated after learning all these details and decided he also wanted to become a computer programmer. So, I suggested he take an aptitude test to check whether he has a logical mindset to pursue the science stream. He followed my advice and gave me the aptitude test. His results showed that he had excellent skills to become a programmer. He was really happy with my advice, and now he consults me for all the important decisions he has to make. This is an example. You can use your situation. Check out the vocabulary used in this speech, are given in the description box. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comment section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you.